A well-working DNS resolution is essential for a functional internet connection. That's why you can make sure that the individual resolvers are functioning well right in the administration portal. All you need to do is choose the corresponding local resolver, open the context menu, and click Trace Domain. At this point, type in the domain you want to examine. Let's say it's whalebone.io. Choose one of the query types, for example A, and trace the domain. You can see the outcome of the resolution right here. The upper part shows the result of the query. The green color tells you there's nothing wrong with the DNS resolution. If there's an issue, there will be some information about the particular problem in orange or red. For example, if the domain doesn't exist, the result will be NX domain. In case there's an issue with the resolution, you will see the serve fail response. You can find the complete log under the summary. If you encounter any issues, send the log to support@whalebone.io and we'll look into it.